Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Smart Scorers. So our today's topic is applications of derivatives. So as usual, first we'll see the total weightage of this chapter, then we'll see how the total weightage is allotted, like how many one markers are there and how many two markers and etc etc. And then we'll be seeing what and all questions can be asked in specific. So please do watch the video till end. So first, let's see what are the two markers that can be asked from this chapter. So first, appropriate change in quantities. Usually they'll ask you about the change in quantities. So they can give you the rate of change of something and they can ask you the change in another quantity. Then coming to next one is slope of tangent. It will be a direct question. They'll just ask you what is the slope of tangent of some specific function. Then you have strictly increasing or decreasing. Any one of these two will be asked. Either they can ask you strictly increasing or they can ask you strictly decreasing. And now moving on to three markers, we have strictly increasing and strictly decreasing. Here you will have both strictly increasing as well as strictly decreasing. The next type is finding possible numbers. So here it is kind of algebra where they'll be asking you like by giving some equations, kind of like x plus y is something and x into y is something, and you are supposed to find what is x and y. It can include squares, cubes or cube roots, anything like that. So it is very simple. And now third type is approximation. So this is also like under root of some pointed numbers, like you have decimal pointed numbers there and you should find approximation of that specific number under root of that. And here you are not supposed to use like any calci or something like that. So you are supposed to do it in the method of differentiation. That is the speciality here. Now let's see what are the five markers that can be asked from this chapter. Rate at which top of the ladder moves downwards. It is usually called as ladder sum. So there is only one kind of this sum and most of the times it is asked. It is very important also. Now coming to next one, particle moving on a curve. So they'll be giving you a curve and you should say like what is the path traveled by the particle on that specific curve. Next is rate of change in dimensions. Here this question is very important. I have seen this in many year question papers. So here usually it is about the area and perimeter of rectangle. So they'll be giving you some length and breadth and they'll be saying the change in length and change in breadth. Then you are supposed to find the change in area or the change in perimeter of rectangle. Then last one we have height of sand cone. So here what it is like, there's a pipe from which the sand is pouring at some height and they'll be giving you like what is the height of the sand cone after some specific time. I've seen this in 2 times in the previous year papers. So this is all about this chapter, and again this is very easy chapter. 10 marks you can easily score from this chapter. So if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.